Scrapbookers, this is Megan, and I am back today with my very first layout using the May Scrapbooking Store kit for this month. So today I am participating in the International Scrapbooking Day Challenge and Hop for this design team, and we thought it would be fun to do a sketch hop. So I am using the sketch that you will have already seen, and all of the other members that I will have links to below used a different sketch, and we all used our May kits. So here you can see I am cutting up my photos. So I picked out these two cute photos of my husband, and at the time it was our youngest son, Brennan, but now he is our middle son. And this was on my husband's birthday, and we had given him a keyboard that he had wanted. It was like a special one. I don't know. I'm not a tech guy. So it's what he really wanted. So I bought it for him, and the kids were so excited. Brennan was so excited that he went and, got Mark's actual keyboard. And so he had to sit down with Dad and, play along. So I just thought these two photos were super cute, and I needed to scrapbook them. So here you can see I finally decided on the background paper that I wanted to use. I really loved all the florals, but I wanted to keep this layout more masculine, and so I decided to go with the navy blue background, which does have flowers on it. It has daisies. And then because the background was so dark, I decided to go with really light colors on the other paper layers. So first off, I am going to matte each of the photos on this gingham yellow and off-white paper. And I really like how that looks. I really like yellow and navy blue together. I think they are just the perfect combination. So the sketch calls for 2 layers behind the photos that are banners. So I'm going to use this pink heart paper as the small or the thinner banner. And then the green paper that has flowers on it is going to be the thicker banner. And so here I'm just cutting up the papers and making sure that they are the right length and everything that I want for the layout. I stick very closely to this sketch, which is not the norm for me. Normally, I change sketches. I use sketches as a jumping off point, but for this one, I really liked the sketch and how everything was laid out on it, so I decided to stay very true to the sketch. So here you're seeing me cut up one of the extra pieces of that green floral paper, and I made a banner out of it. Then I'm going to cut 2 of the border strips, and I'm going to make banners out of those as well. And they are going to go in this bottom left-hand corner. And I did pull out this paper that had the phrases on it to use the border strip, but then I am going to consider maybe matting the photo on this, like the actual pattern paper piece. But apparently I glued down these banners on the left side first. I made this, I don't even remember, a few days ago, but honestly, I totally forget how I make layouts like the day after. It's really bad. So here is where I am pulling in this phrase background paper, and I like it, but at the same time I don't. I feel like it blended in too much with the yellow and off-white gingham. And so I decided to not use it at all, and I'm really glad that I did that. I did pull in this pink floral scrap piece of paper, and that is going to stay up there in the left-hand corner. And then I'm going to pull in these stickers from the upgrades. And I really, really love how these stickers just add an extra little pop to the layout. If you follow me regularly, you'll know I absolutely love phrase stickers. And so these stickers were perfect for this layout. So I'm just going to start adding some embellishments from the sticker sheet that we got in the main kit. And then I'm also going to pull in some embellishments from the upgrade kit. So here you can see I am pulling out these clear stickers, and these are from Amy Tangerine. And I'm not a huge fan of clear stickers because I feel like I have to mount them on to another paper to make them stand out, especially on a darker background. And so that's what I'm doing right now is I'm pulling off stickers that I want to use on this layout. And I am just matting them on white cardstock and then cutting them out. So here I am just gluing down this little banner and that phrase sticker up in that top left-hand corner. You will also see that I actually did stick down one of the clear stickers without the white cardstock behind it. And I'm so proud of myself for that. It's so silly, right? Okay, now I'm going to start gluing everything down. Normally I glue as I go, but lately I have been setting my whole layout up and making sure I like it before I glue things down. It's really different for me. So there I put down that sticker, Be Happy, Be Bright, Be You, with the heart sticker in the left-hand side, and then I put down the good times. And I'm adding hearts to every cluster, and I'm really trying to make this XO sticker that I put on cardstock, I'm really trying to make it work. But in the end, I'm going to glue it down, but it doesn't stay. I pull out another clear sticker and stick it straight on the background. And this one, I kind of wanted to do that just because I wanted it to kind of blend into the background and just be a very subtle just sticker and element on the page. So now I'm adding a few of the puffy gems that were in the upgrade kit, and then I pulled out this alpha from my stash. I did want to bring in more gold and glitter, and so I decided to go with this alpha, and it is a fun thicker set. So my title is just going to be really simple, just like Dad. Brennan wanted to be just like Dad and needed his own keyboard and sat right on the couch next to him. And I just love looking back at photos like this, just seeing the kids when they were little and just Mark interacting with them. So I'm going to glue this down, and then I think that's it. I only add, I think, a couple other stickers, and I don't do any journaling on this layout. And the only reason I don't is because I know that I have other layouts that I'm going to be doing journaling on with this subject. And since I really liked the design of this one, I didn't want to ruin the design with journaling, if that makes sense. I know that's like awful, but I didn't want to add a tag or anything to take away from the design. So I put down the title. I absolutely love how I decided to do it down in a straight line like that. I'm so excited about this. So here is where I finally decide to take up that XO sticker, and I'm going to move the gem heart, but when I pulled up the gem heart, it did pull up some of the pattern paper. So I decided to add this Happy Days sticker from the upgrade pack. And that is it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the other ladies in the hop. Links are below. Bye!